Good morning, dear students. Myself, Rashikar, MH, PGT Maths and Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss with Class 7, Subject Science, Nutrition in Plants. In this chapter, we are going to discuss mainly in this chapter what we have to study. One by one we have to see. First one, contents. Meaning of nutrients we have to study, meaning of nutrition, mode of nutrition in plants, photosynthesis, food making process in plants, you already well known, synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates, other modes of nutrition in plants. Next we have to discuss saprotrophs. Next, last one is how nutrients are replenished in the soil. These are the contents we are going to discuss. Okay, now first we are going to discuss nutrients. What is meant by nutrients? The components of food that provides nourishment to the body are called nutrition. It may be like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and lipids, refuges, minerals, water, fibers also we are well known, etc. are called as nutrients. These are means nutrients are necessary for our body. Main important nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies. Means whatever happening in whatever the scratches happening in our body, that should be recovered by taking the food nutrients, food particles constituent of food. They repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out of life processes. This is about regarding nutrients. Nutrients is nothing but a components of food that provides nourishment to the body. Okay. Next we are going to discuss nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? The mode of taking food by an organism, whatever the mode, okay, the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Example, I already told the nutrients. Food components are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, etc. Now we are going to discuss very important the mode of nutrition in plants. Here there are two types of mode of nutrition takes place. Mode of nutrition not only in plants, there are two types. One is autotrophs, second one is heterotrophs. Autotrophs means self, tropos means nourishment. Together we call as autotrophic nutrients. Means those organisms which prepare their own food. They are not dependent on other. Means example, plants, they dependent on not others. It is a independent. So they prepare their own food by photosynthesis process. Whatever the raw materials present in our surrounding, means plant surrounding, they can take raw materials like carbohydrates, carbon dioxide, water, etc. Auto means self, tropos means nourishment. The organisms which prepare their own food. The organisms prepare their own food are called autotrophs or autotrophic nutrients, those who are helpful. Similarly, heterotrophs means, hetero means others, tropos means again nourishment. Okay, I hope you are getting. Heterotrophs are These are dependent on other. directly or indirectly. We people, human and some other animals, which are directly or indirectly dependent on plants and plant products, you already well know. Okay, heterotrophs means they do not prepare their own food. Those organisms, they do not prepare their own food, are called heterotrophs, dear students. Best example, animals, some insectivorous plants are there. Some insectivorous plants I am telling. Okay, not all. Saprophytes are there. Okay, heterotrophs. Now we are mainly discuss the mode of nutrition in plants, autotrophs. Autotrophs can take place in very important two main modes in plants. One is photosynthesis, second one is chemosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means together, okay, means self preparation of food by photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by taking carbon dioxide, water as a raw materials. It gives carbohydrates and what oxygen to us. Similarly, chemo means chemical, the process which takes place chemically, that is called chemosynthesis. Okay, these are the two autotrophs mode of nutrition in plants. Okay, thank you. We will continue in next class. I hope you are getting